Please, everybody, be quiet. I'm angry. I said I'm angry. Can you imagine? I went to church this morning. I was just sitting close to one woman, and she was having a kitten in her hand. I said, Madam, you don't see the cat of this speaking. Hey, Nana. She was like, please leave it. I just want to pet her, please. I said, no, clean it. She was like, no, I'm reserving. I want to suck it out. You want to suck it out and do what? And do what? Are you using it for fashion? Is it fashion? Are you making it as a sample space? What are you using it for? Now sample. Now mirror. Look at. Please remove this thing from my face. Finally, the woman was like, please, can I bring this child close to you? She is 5 years old, please. And as she was bringing it close, the child close to me, the kata was about dropping like an elastic rope. I was just wondering, all of a sudden, Brotunde came, and I was holding my bread in my hand. He asked me, he said, is this bread? I said, no. It's your child's kata. Nonsense, come and eat it. If I blow you. Yeah, this kata was drawing as if it's okra soup that are sour. Are they going to use it to patch a tomato? Carry that are sour. Is it carry that are sour? Are they preserving it to patch a tomato?